Today, we've got a topic that's been highly requested by many of you: how to make money online as a copywriter. If you have a way with words and want to turn your writing skills into a profitable online career, this video is for you. Segment 1: Understanding Copywriting. Before we dive into the strategies, let's start with the basics. What is copywriting, and why is it in such high demand? Copywriting is the art of writing persuasive and engaging content to sell products or services. In the digital age, businesses rely heavily on copy to attract customers and drive sales. Now, let's move on to the exciting part: how to make money as a copywriter online. Segment 2: Freelance Platforms. One of the easiest ways to get started as a freelance copywriter is through online platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Here's what you need to know: create a compelling profile, showcase your skills and experience. Start with competitive rates to build your portfolio, and over time, increase your rates as you gain more experience. Segment 3: Niche Specialization. Specializing in a niche can be a game changer. It allows you to charge higher rates and stand out from the competition. Identify a niche you're passionate about, research the market and competitors. Create a portfolio specific to that niche and network with potential clients in the industry. Segment 4: Content Marketing. Content marketing is a fantastic way to showcase your copywriting skills while generating income. Consider starting a blog or YouTube channel related to your niche. Offer valuable content for free. Promote your services within your content and monetize your blog or channel through ads, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products. Segment 5: Building a Personal Brand. Building a personal brand as a copywriter can lead to higher paying opportunities. Create a professional website. Share your knowledge through guest posts and social media, and network with influencers and industry experts, and publish a book or ebook showcasing your expertise. Segment 6: Online Courses and Ebooks. Consider creating and selling online courses or ebooks on copywriting. Leverage your expertise to educate others. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Amazon Kindle, and promote your courses through social media and email marketing. Segment 7: Direct Client Outreach. Don't wait for clients to come to you. Actively reach out to potential clients. Build a list of target clients in your niche. Craft personalized pitches, highlighting your value, and follow up and maintain a professional relationship. Segment 8: Conclusion and Recap. So, there you have it, our guide on how to make money online as a copywriter. To summarize, start on freelance platforms, specialize in a niche, invest in content marketing, build a personal brand, and create and sell online courses or ebooks. Don't be afraid to reach out to clients. Remember that becoming a successful copywriter takes time and effort, but will generate income.